Hello my students, welcome to my channel My Target 100%. I think all of you must have seen my last videos. Anyway, today's topic is impedance triangle. What is the topic? Impedance triangle. Chapter 7, alternating current. Okay. So, impedance triangle. As you know, resistance, inductance, capacitance. Before going to this, we must know about the terms resistance, inductance and capacitance. Let us discuss one by one. Okay, follow me. Resistance, resistor connected with resistor. Inductance connected with inductor. Capacitance connected with capacitor. Clear? All are the property, opposition factors, but these are the device. Resist, resistor, resistance. Inductor, inductance, origin word, and all are derived. Capacity, capacitor, capacitance. Just try to understand this one. It is the property of a conductor which opposes the flow of current through it. Opposition factor by conductor, resistor, opposition by inductor, opposition by capacitor. Okay, so that's why while you are taking, this is R. If you are taking this one, so you are doing this one is VR. Clear? Similarly, this is L. Okay, and up to this one, if you are taking, this is VL, and this one is capacitance. Okay, and if you are taking through points, so it is VC. Clear? R, L, C, they are respectively opposition factor. But now question is, if we will combine R, L and C, okay, it becomes RLC circuit. Okay, it becomes RLC circuit. Can I erase? Okay, very good. So, for your better understanding, you can take screenshot. So, then come to point, you add this one in RLC circuit. Suppose this is R, L, this is C, they are connected with source, AC source, and it is R, L, C, this one is VR, okay, this one is VL, any 2 points you are taking, this one is VC. Okay, but question is most important, this is the turning point. So, the phase difference between alternating current and EMF or alternating voltage, current and voltage, I is equal to I naught sin omega t varies, but E is equal to E naught sin omega t. It is constant. Source is constant, but when circuit contains only R, there is no phase difference. But when circuit contains L, it is just I is equal to I naught sin omega t minus pi by 2. That means it is I naught cos omega t. Sin 90 degree minus theta, that is cos theta. So, here is theta minus 90 degree, so minus cos omega t. It is case of L, but E is equal to how much? E naught sin omega t. What you are observing? Similarly, in case of I is equal to I naught sin omega t plus pi by 2. So, it is I naught cos omega t. Okay, then E is equal to E naught sin omega t when circuit contains only C. That means here current lagging behind the EMF by 90 degree. Here current leading the EMF by an phase angle 90 degree. So, the direction of I is this one and this one is R, VR, but this one is I, this one is VL if you will take. This is the direction. Okay, this. But in case of it is I, this is VC. So, direction is this one. So, you must understand this one while you are going to read impedance triangle. So, from the derivation of impedance, what you are getting? You have written. Okay. So, here try to understand this one is important. This one is important. So, come to point. You can give the direction also. Okay. Clear? Then come to point. From the derivation that you know, you are getting. So, if you will derive, that will take maximum time, and for that derivation, that is another video is necessary. But now question is what is impedance triangle. So, just I am telling, from the derivation of impedance, what you are getting? Z is equal to R square plus XL minus XC, okay, whole square. You can apply law of parallelogram, law of vector addition, or Pythagoras theorem, and that just you recall this one. Suppose this one is the x axis, this is y axis, this is the starting point, this is y dash, okay, that you are taking. This is the phase angle. Okay, you can take if it is V, so it is VR and it is VL, this one is VC, and up to this one is, this one is what it is? VL minus VC. So, in this way you are getting XL means omega L, inductive reactance, XC, inductive capacitive reactance, inductive reactance, capacitive reactance. So, in this way you will get this one. So, now question is XL is equal to omega L, this is 2 pi nu L, it is directly proportional. XC is equal to 1 by omega C. Why I am telling in impedance case? Because first we should know what is the meaning of impedance. The impedance means it is the opposition offered by the RLC circuit to alternating current. Okay, so you can say the opposition by the RLC circuit. But definition is, first one is definition. So definition, what is the definition? Definition is the net effective opposition by the RLC circuit to alternating current. That is definition. Symbolically representation is, it is the symbol. You can represent this one, and this one is formula. This one is formula. Okay, that means impedance consists of three factors, mainly resistance, inductive reactance, capacitive reactance. So now if we will make one triangle using these three terms, it becomes a triangle, and mainly it requires a right angle triangle. A right angle triangle, just this one you take. Okay, so suppose it is phi, okay, and as we know there are two phasors, they are law of triangle, vector addition. If two vectors are represented in the two sides of triangle in magnitude and direction taken in the same order, their third side is the reverse side, is the resultant. This is the resultant. So this is represented as Z, this is R, this is XL minus XC. Okay, so you can give the A, B, C. So it represents the impedance triangle. So according to Pythagoras theorem, So you can write Z is equal to R square plus XL minus XC whole square root. So it represents the impedance triangle. The triangle which consists of Z, R and XL minus XC, but here XL and XC both are opposite each other and it is the right angle triangle. So according to Pythagoras theorem you are getting this one. Now consist. Question is, when if for RL circuit means it consists, the triangle becomes, suppose this one is one case, so it becomes this one, and what will happen, just, so I am erasing this one due to scarcity of space. So come to point. So for LR circuit, suppose if we will take for LR circuit, so what will happen? Now only L and R will remain. So in that case, what you will do? Okay, this is the vector R, this is XL and this is the Z, this is the angle. Clear? These two is two vectors, this is the resultant. That means what you are considering, R square XL minus X0 whole square, this is the impedance. But for R and L circuit, XC becomes, it is 0. So Z is equal to R square plus XL whole square. This is the impedance for this triangle. So now, so phase difference between the current and voltage is how much? Tan phi is equal to, it is P, it is B. So that means if you will give the name A, B, C, so it becomes P by B is equal to BC by AB. So it is XL by R, that means omega L by R for LR circuit. If you will change that one, CR circuit, it is, if it is CR circuit, so what will happen? It is the constant, now it is 0. So for CR circuit, so it is XL is 0. So you will get the XC circuit, this one. So Z becomes, impedance becomes R square, this one. But now question is, there is some variation. So what will happen? So this one is, this becomes opposite, as XL, XC are opposite to each other. So it becomes Z, it becomes R, and direction of this one is in this case. This is the impedance triangle for CR circuit. Understood? So what will happen? For impedance, Z is equal to R square plus XC square. So what becomes? You will get, in that case, tan phi is equal to XC by R, 1 by omega CR. If you will only find the phi, so it becomes tan inverse of this one. So now question is, what are the impedance points? Impedance triangle is over. Okay, the triangle that consists of impedance, resistance and difference between the two reactants is known as impedance triangle. Then come to point, the reciprocal of reactance, is known as susceptance. So it is reciprocal of reactance. Suppose if you take this one, so it is 1 by, if you reactance any symbol you can take, this is susceptance. Okay, but in case of admittance, so this is admittance. So reciprocal of impedance. Now question I am repeating the same. One is the impedance is over, The reciprocal of impedance is known as admittance. The reciprocal of reactance is known as susceptance. But question is, the unit of resistance, what is? Ohm, as their opposition factor. So Z is also unit of impedance is ohm. But here is unit is ohm inverse. Ohm inverse, that means mho, you can say. Okay. So in this case, you have to remember these are the important factor, and if you have any doubts, you can ask and put the suggestions, comments in comment box. So thank you, have a good day, watch my all other videos.